Attention all seniors in the High Desert community. Are you seeking a lively and inclusive place to stay active and involved? Look no further than Choice Medical Group's Senior Kicks Club. Proudly serving our community for over 3 decades.
Hi there, I'm Carly, your Senior Kicks Club coordinator. Here at the Senior Kicks Club, we're passionate about exercising seniors' body and mind. Come join us for weekly exercises, monthly crafts, and painting classes. Oh, don't forget our thrilling bingo for prizes. We also have educational seminars. And here's the best part, it's all free for seniors over 60. We offer classes in 3 locations throughout the High Desert and continue to add more to accommodate our over 2,500 members.
Want to know more about our upcoming events? Call us at 760-338-0914. That's 338-0914. Or visit seniorkicksclub.com. That's seniorkicksclub.com for the full fun calendar. We look forward to meeting you. Choice Medical Group, the right choice to your better health.